From DD Aerial Photography. Here we are at the the town square of Eastport, and we're going to fly down the main strip. I'm also going to show you what I found out what's going on in Lraange, and also we're going to show Oak Hollow and Edenfield, which is going to be built next. So stay tuned. I bought the Trusted Tundra, and we're parked in a non-disclosed location. Place is closed, so that's why I'm parked like this. We're going to start off here at McNeil Drive and Corbin Trail and head south. As you can see at the top of the screen, that is the way we're flying. You can see all the construction that's going on down here, finishing out the village of Oak Hollow. This is coming down to Summer's Run, and you look at all the houses down through here that's being built out. They're finishing Oak Hollow, and it'll be done here shortly. The ones that are just walls, those are verandas. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. The ones on Summer Run are designer and premier homes. And the ones on the south side of the wall down here, these are all concrete villas. Down here at Craig Corbin Trail. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress in a neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. Right down here at the Woodlands Country Club and Blanchard Rec Center. You can see they got the outsides are almost done. Putting in the irrigation. This is the Blanchard Rec Center. 2 stories. Pretty cool. A bunch of windows. I saw them painting the pickleball and tennis courts the other day. See, the pool is coming along pretty good. It's a nice large pool. Reminds me of the one down at Saluki. Alright, now we're going to fly east here. This is over by Edenfield Lake. This is the construction that's going on down at Edenfield. As you fly across here, you can see all the houses that they got going on. They're working hard on these designer and premier homes down through here. This area here, surrounded by the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. You can see they have patio villas on the north side up there. You can see Bexley Bridge. You see all the construction that needs to go on here at Edenfield on the other side of the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. Here we are down here in the village of Lraange. You can see that they are working on the Postal Center, which I thought was really neat, is that the Postal Center and the pool are separated. That's a little different than they have been building. So it looks like they're going to have the amenities between the pool and the Postal Center instead of the Postal Center and the pool together. Alright, here we are on the south side of Eastport, going down Eastport Drive. I haven't done a video on the construction going down Eastport Drive here, so I figured I'd fly over Eastport Drive and check out all the buildings. You can see all the facades they're putting on the buildings. And don't forget Sunset Island. I'm still waiting for that to open. I like to go out to Sunset Island and take a lot of photos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy of mine.